What's up, guys? It's me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today your girl is back with a new video. So I'm super excited about today's video because I have a special Loft plus size haul for you today. So if you're interested in checking out this video, you guys already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. So let's jump right in. So I know some of you are probably like, what the heck is so special about this Loft haul? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Loft has finally launched their very own subscription rental service, and it is called Infinitely Loft. Yes, ladies, you can now rent clothing from Loft. Yay! I am super excited about Loft's subscription rental service. You guys know I had to try it out myself. So this video is sponsored by Loft, and I want to show you guys some of the goodies I got. So Infinitely Loft subscription rental service is a rent, return, and repeat process, which is super easy. So all you do is you go to infinitelyloft.com and then you look through all of the available items that you can put in your closet, and Loft literally has hundreds of items for you to add to your closet. Now remember, Loft carries tall, petite, and plus size, so there is definitely clothing for everybody. So all you do is you browse through all of the clothing that they have available, and you fill up your closet, which is basically kind of like your dream wardrobe a little bit. You fill up your closet with about 20 items, and then out of those 20 you select 8 items that you're like, I really want these, I need these to come to me. And then out of those 8 items, Loft will select your top 3 items to send to you. So with Loft's rental service, you are able to rent 3 pieces at a time, and you can swap those 3 pieces out, which basically means you get your first 3 pieces, you wear them, and then you can swap them out for another 3 pieces for that month, and Loft charges you one flat rate fee. This subscription rental service is the perfect way to test out things and to really like kind of play around with your style. I'm definitely going to continue to use the subscription rental service from Infinitely Loft. Loft has some really cute clothes, and speaking of cute clothes, let me show you what I got. Alright, so the first piece I'm going to show you is this gorgeous blue satin blazer. This is a 1-button blazer. The satin finish on this is beautiful. I love the color of this blazer, and I know it's gonna have a really nice fit. So here's the satin blazer. I'm obsessed, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. This looks amazing. I love the color of this blazer, and the fit is perfect. So I got my true size in this blazer, and the fit is perfect. It even looks good buttoned. Look at that. Yes. I'm also wearing this blazer with a pair of Loft distressed skinny jeans, which are really cute, and they really go well with this. I just threw on a basic tank and some heels, and this is definitely a good look to go out for drinks in. And I'm just obsessed with this blazer. That's all I have to say. I picked a really good one. So I found this super cute polka dot wrap top from Infinitely Loft, and I immediately added it to my closet because I thought the color was really nice and it goes really well with my skin tone. It's kind of like a burnt orange color. Alright, so now this is how the polka dot top looks. I'm a huge fan of Loft's wrap tops. I think they're super flattering, and they always have amazing colors and prints. So this color, as you can see, really highlights my skin tone. But yeah, this is such a super cute look, and like I said, this is a full wrap top, so you can adjust the tie whichever way you like it. But this is how I like to tie. Oh, and then with the top, it has a little button closure, so you can leave it open and show a little bit more girls, or you can button it closed if you want to, you know, cover up just a little bit. But yeah, I love how this fits, and it kind of gives out a little flare. I feel like this top is very true to size. This is how the top looks from the back. So it kind of gives out a little peplum flare. It just looks amazing with these jeans, and I think that this is a cute little daytime outfit. Next up, I have these wide leg drawstring pants. Again, obsessed with the color, and these have that satin finish as well. So really nice and soft. These pants have pockets, And then as you can see, elastic at the waist. All right guys, so these are the satin drawstring pants. They are gorgeous. I love these pants. And like I said, I like the wide leg. They just streamline my legs, and I just love how they look. The color is amazing. And I love that they have pockets. And as you can see, there's still enough room for me in the waist. This is how they look from the back. So yeah, this is just a really super cute outfit. Alright guys, that's it for me. Let me know what you think about the pieces that I got from Loft today. And let me know down below if you will be trying out Infinitely Loft. I will have a link down below for you to try it out yourself. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Remember to check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!